Today, I am pleased to announce further loosening of restrictions. Starting today, elective surgeries and other non-emergency health services, including dental, physiotherapy, optometry services, and massage therapy will be allowed. Outdoor public gatherings with physical distancing of 10 or fewer people will be allowed.
Indoor public gatherings of 10 or fewer people will be allowed for religious services, weddings, and funerals. But physical distancing measures must be respected.
Post-secondary institutions may now open subject to COVID-19 directives from public health, including physical distancing measures. However, virtual education options should be continued wherever possible. Among those able to open are cultural venues such as museums, galleries, and libraries, offices not deemed essential during the initial phase, retail establishments, including malls. All of these businesses are expected to follow the directives of public health, including physical distancing. In addition, our government is also requiring anyone who cannot social distance must wear a face mask. Exception would be children under 2 and those individuals who cannot due to medical reasons. Restaurants are also able to open. Like other businesses, however, restaurants must have a plan in place to reduce risk to customers and to employees. The
number of clients that any restaurant can host at the same time will vary depending on their capacities to meet the physical distancing criteria, or will depend on their capacity to put in place alternative measures when maintaining a distance of 2 meters is not possible. Clients that are part of the same two-family bubble will be allowed to sit at the same table.
When physical distancing cannot be maintained, physical barriers such as a booth should be in place. And face coverings must be worn by employees who must come within 2 meters of each other. Additional cleaning and hand washing is also crucial. Campgrounds and outdoor recreational activities such as zoos and outfitters may open if organizations can ensure physical distancing. Early learning and child care centers regulated by the Department of Education and Early Childhood Development will only be permitted to reopen as of May 19.
The Department of Education and Early Childhood Development will communicate with operators to give them more information in the coming days. Non-regulated daycare service providers can open as of today, but they must have an operational plan in place and follow public health's directives.
Can open immediately if the organization can adhere to public health measures set out in the document called COVID-19 Recovery Phase, Guidance to Early Learning and Child Care Facilities and Day Camps. ATV trails can open across the province. Businesses can open effective immediately, but each of them must decide when they are ready to open. Some have been preparing for this moment and will be able to open right away. Others will need more time. Businesses must ensure they have an operational plan in place that adheres to public health and WorkSafe NB guidelines. The operational plan does not require pre-approval, but must be kept on file. WorkSafe NB has developed a template that can assist with plan development, and it can be found by visiting their website at www.worksafenb.ca. This operational plan must be available upon request and can be requested by officials from Public Health, WorkSafe NB, or Public Safety during a scheduled or unscheduled visit. Business owners that have questions can contact Opportunities New Brunswick Business Navigators by emailing nav@navnb.ca or 1-833-799-7966. Les entreprises.
Businesses that need personal protection equipment can view a list of suppliers. This list will be made available at the start of next week on the Government of New Brunswick's website.